Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. A table set before you, simple, calm. The food is ready, but before you lift your fork, you pause. You breathe. Inhale slowly through your nose, exhale through your mouth. For just a few seconds, the world slows. The noise fades. The heartbeat steadies. That's the space where transformation begins, not in the food itself, but in the state your body is in when you receive it. Because the way you eat can be as powerful as what you eat. And in that quiet pause before the first bite, your metabolism listens. We live in an age of speed. Fast meals, fast scrolling, fast lives. We eat distracted, standing, driving, thinking, rushing. Our bodies never get the message that it's safe to digest. Instead, they stay in survival mode. Tight breath, high cortisol, shallow focus. Digestion shuts down because the body thinks danger is near. The blood leaves your gut to power your muscles, your heart, your brain. You eat, but you don't truly absorb. You fuel, but you don't nourish. And over time, that disconnection, eating without presence, reshapes your metabolism. It slows fat burning, raises blood sugar, blunts hunger cues, and confuses hormones that regulate energy. But mindful breathing, even for 60 seconds, flips that entire switch. With one slow exhale, your body transitions from sympathetic to parasympathetic dominance, from fight or flight to rest and digest. It's not philosophy, it's physiology. The vagus nerve, the longest nerve in your body, runs from your brainstem to your gut. When you breathe deeply, you activate it, sending a signal through your entire nervous system. We're safe now. It's time to digest. Your stomach begins releasing enzymes. Your pancreas prepares insulin in a balanced rhythm. Your gut muscles relax, ready to move food gently through. That one breath becomes a metabolic command, not to rush, but to receive. Here's what happens in real time. Shallow, anxious breathing raises cortisol and adrenaline, stress hormones that tell the liver to release glucose. That's why when you eat while stressed, your blood sugar spikes higher, even if you're eating something healthy. But when you breathe deeply before eating, you lower those hormones. You prevent unnecessary glucose release. Insulin works efficiently. The body burns what it needs and stores less. A calm nervous system metabolizes differently. It uses energy instead of hoarding it. That's the subtle miracle of mindful eating. You can change your metabolism without changing your menu, simply by changing your mind. Think of it like this. Digestion doesn't begin in the mouth, it begins in the mind. When you look at food with awareness, when you smell it, breathe it in, pause before eating, your brain releases signals to your salivary glands, stomach, and intestines. This is called the cephalic phase of digestion, the preparation stage. Studies show that up to 30% of digestive enzyme production depends on this anticipatory phase. But if you skip it, if you eat while scrolling, driving, or arguing, your body never gets the memo. Food enters unannounced, and digestion stays incomplete. That leads to bloating, fatigue, cravings, even weight gain. Not because the food was bad, but because the state of eating was disconnected. Now imagine reclaiming that moment. You sit, you inhale slowly, 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. Your belly softens, your shoulders drop, your heart rate slows. The oxygen feeds your cells. Carbon dioxide releases tension. With every breath, you move from reaction to rhythm. The body opens, ready to receive nourishment instead of fight it. That's not just calm, it's chemistry. Oxygen is the currency of metabolism. It fuels every step of energy conversion inside your mitochondria. More oxygen means better oxidation, more efficient use of calories, better blood flow, clearer thinking. Breathing before eating doesn't just calm the mind, it optimizes digestion. It increases gut motility, the wave-like movements that move food through your intestines. It enhances nutrient absorption by improving circulation to the digestive organs. It even supports a healthy gut microbiome because stress hormones can alter gut bacteria balance. One mindful breath is like opening a door, welcoming your food into a home that's prepared, peaceful, and present. And it's more than biology, it's emotional intelligence for your body. When you eat mindfully, you taste differently. You notice texture, temperature, scent. You eat slower, so satiety hormones, leptin and CCK, have time to signal fullness. You stop when you're satisfied, not when you're stuffed. You reconnect with hunger and trust it again. That's why people who practice mindful breathing before meals often eat less, digest better, and feel lighter, not from restriction, but from regulation. There's a reason ancient traditions all began meals with breath or prayer. It wasn't just gratitude, it was alignment. In Ayurveda, deep breathing before eating grounds vata, the air element responsible for nervous energy. In Zen tradition, monks breathe in stillness before the first bite to awaken the senses. In modern terms, they were doing vagus nerve activation before science gave it a name. The wisdom was always there. The body simply needed a moment to catch up. Here's the beauty. You don't need an hour of meditation or a perfect mindset, just 1 minute. Sit before your meal. Place a hand on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose. Let the air expand your abdomen, not your chest. Exhale through your mouth. A long, gentle release. Do it 3 to 5 times. That's all. You've just shifted your body into parasympathetic mode. Then look at your food. Notice its colors. Smell its aroma. Acknowledge where it came from. Gratitude is biology too. It lowers stress hormones and increases immune resilience. Then eat slowly, chew fully, and let your senses guide you. That's mindful metabolism in motion. Over time, this tiny ritual becomes a rhythm. You'll notice digestion improving, cravings fading, energy stabilizing. Meals won't feel heavy anymore, they'll feel alive. Because you're not fighting your food, you're collaborating with it. When breath leads, the body follows. The science is catching up fast. In one study, participants who practiced slow diaphragmatic breathing before meals had significantly lower post-meal glucose levels than those who didn't. Another found that deep breathing enhanced insulin sensitivity by activating parasympathetic pathways in the pancreas. Mindful breath doesn't just relax you, it literally reprograms metabolism to burn, balance, and heal. And yet, beyond all the data, there's something more human about it. Breath brings you home. It reminds you that eating is not just fuel, it's relationship between body and earth, hunger and gratitude, life and awareness. Every meal is an exchange. You give presence, and the food gives energy. You breathe it in, you breathe it out. That's the true cycle of nourishment. So tonight, before you eat, try this. Don't change your plate, change your pace. Sit down, exhale your day, breathe until your heartbeat softens. Then take that first bite slowly, consciously, gratefully. Feel how differently your body receives it. Because in the end, the most powerful nutrient isn't in your food, it's in your awareness. And sometimes, one deep breath is enough to turn digestion into meditation and eating into healing. Breathe first, eat slow, live steady. This is Vital Dynasty.